Very good morning, children. Sairam. Today we are going to learn a new chapter in active English. Okay, are you all ready? Yes. So we'll move on to the today's topic. Okay, chapter number 28. Okay, the topic is the indirect object. Okay, the indirect object. Okay, so we are going to make the indirect forms. Okay, so in the given sentence, if the boy's name is given, then we have to rewrite it as he or him. Okay, if the girl's name is given, then we have to rewrite it as she or her. Okay, this is the indirect form. Okay, if more than one person is there in the given sentence, like the children, the people, like that, if there is in the given sentence, then we have to rewrite it as they or them. Okay, so these are all the indirect forms for the given words. Okay, if the boy's name comes, then we have to write it as he or him. Okay, if the girl's name is there in the given sentence, then we have to write it as she or her. Okay, if more than one person given in the sentence, then we have to write it as they or them. Okay, children, then we have to first write who to whom. Okay, then only we have to write the object name. Okay, first we have to write who to whom. Okay, who is giving to whom. Okay, then only we have to write what item they are giving. Okay, so they have given one example sentence. Okay, first let's read the sentence. Okay, change the sentences. First sentence, Mohan gave a rupee to Prem. Mohan gave a rupee to Prem. So first, this is the boy's name, so we have to write it as he. Okay, so he gave a rupee to Prem. Prem is also a boy's name, isn't it? Male gender. So to him. Okay, first we have to write he gave him. Then only we have to write the object name. Okay, he gave him a rupee. Okay, he gave him a rupee. Okay, first we have to write who to whom. Then only we have to write the object name. Okay, he gave him a rupee. Okay, have you all understood? So these are all the indirect forms of the given names. Okay, so shall we try the second sentence? Yes. Second sentence, the teacher gave some books to the children. The teacher gave some books to the children. So the teacher, instead of teacher, they have written he. Okay, instead of teacher, the teacher, they have written he. He gave to whom? The children, isn't it? So he gave, the children is the plural, isn't it? So we have to write it as them. He gave them some. So he gave them some books. Okay, what item he gave to the children? Books, some books, isn't it? So he gave them some books. Okay, he gave them some books. Okay, children, shall we move on to the third sentence? Yes. Third sentence, the teacher told a story to the children. The teacher told a story to the children. So instead of the teacher, they have written she. Okay, instead of the teacher, they have written she. She dash the children. So instead of the children, they have written them. Them. Okay, instead of the children, they have written them. She dashed them. She told them. She told them a story. Full stop. She told them a story. Okay. So first we have to write who, then the action to whom. Okay. Then only we have to write the object name or anything. Okay, children. Have you all understood? So you can copy down in your active English book. Okay. So you have to write it neatly. Okay, children? Yes. Fourth one. Mr. Shah gave some money to Maya. Mr. Shah gave some money to Maya. Mr. Shah is a male, isn't it? Male gender. So instead of Mr. Shah, they have written he. Okay, he. He gave dash money. So first we have to write who to whom. So he gave Maya. Maya is a female. So instead of Maya, we have to write her. Okay, he gave her what? He gave her what? Some money, isn't it? So they have given money. So we can write some. Okay, he gave her some money. Okay, he gave her some money. Okay, look at the fifth sentence. Mrs. Shah, not Mr. Shah, Mrs. Mrs. Shah gave an orange to Prem. Mrs. Shah gave an orange to Prem. So Mrs. Shah is a female. So they have written she. Instead of Mrs. Shah, they have written she. She dashed an orange. She gave. So we have to write gave. She gave to whom? Prem. Prem is a male, isn't it? Male's name. Prem is a male. So we have to write him. She gave him an orange. Okay. She gave him an orange. Okay. So look at the sixth sentence. The teacher is reading a story to the children. The teacher is reading a story to the children. So instead of the teacher, they have written she. Okay, she. So what is she doing? She is reading. She is reading. To whom she is reading? To the children. The children. So instead of the children, we have to write them. Okay. So she is reading them. What she is reading? A story. What she is reading? A story. So she is reading them a story. Okay. She is reading them a story. Full stop. Okay. Have you all understood? Yes. So look at the 7th sentence. Maya is giving some food to the cat. Maya is giving some food to the cat. So Maya is a female. So they have written she. Okay, she. What is she doing? She is giving. She is giving, isn't it? So we have to write she is giving. To whom she is giving? The cat. The cat. So instead of the cat, they have written it. Okay. She is giving it. So what she is giving? Some food. Isn't it? Some food. So she is giving it some food. Okay. Full stop. She is giving it some food. Okay. Shall we move on to the next one? Yes. So 8th sentence. Please give a pencil to him. Please give a pencil to him. So please. Next we have to write the action word give. Please give. To whom? To him. So they have given like him. So we have to write as it is. Okay, please give him what? A pencil. So they have given a pencil. Okay, so please give him a pencil. Okay, please give him a pencil. Okay, children. Look at the 9th sentence. Please give some books to me. Please give some books to me. So, in the answer, please. Next, we have to write what? We have to write the doing word. Give. So, please give to whom? To me, isn't it? So, we have to write as it is. Please give me what? Some books. So they have written some books. Okay. Please give me some books. Please give me some books. Okay. Is it clear? Yes. 10th sentence. Mr. Das is showing a picture to the children. Mr. Das is showing a picture to the children. So Mr. Das is a male. Mr. Das is a male. So they have written he. Okay, he is, what he is doing? He is showing. So we have to write he is showing. To whom? The children. So instead of the children we have to write them. Okay. So I write here. Okay. So there is no space. Okay. So I am writing here. So he is showing them. What he is showing? A picture. So he is showing them a picture. Okay. He is showing them a picture. Okay. He is showing them a picture, full stop. Okay children, have you all understood? Yes. So you can write it in your active English book neatly. Okay. Have you all understood? Yes. So first you read the sentence, then you make a try on your own. Okay. If there is a doubt, then you can look at this video and you can copy down in your active English book. Okay children. So write it neatly. Okay. So study well. Thank you.